Labtech Innovations. Really, I appreciate the innovative mind behind this. True, I would say I've been really an appreciator and an executor of innovation and thinking process over a year. And this is something out of the way which I felt. The vision to make it as a digital university by a simple thought of just having the video series of professors, what they do in the class. It's really very absolute and right, I would say, a very precise thing which will go to the students, because the students who could not get engaged in the class, they'll get help of the same professor out of the class also. So Labtech Innovations, the team and the tribe, a good move, a good thought, and I would say really towards Viksit Bharat in terms of digital. Yes. So all the best for your all the efforts in future.